And I wanted to follow up on that question because it's something that we have asked us all the time. And when someone comes in, you know, during the interim, before I settle my case, how do I get my medical bills paid? And what do I do about those bills that are piling up? And that's a legitimate question, and that's something that drives people to accepting a settlement earlier than they should before they've completed that treatment. So, you know, in reality, people look at it and say, all right, why should my health insurance or why should my MedPay be paying these medical bills? I wasn't at fault. It ought to be the other side. And as Carl just alluded to, it doesn't work like that. They will expect a full release when
and really this is a good opportunity to urge people or suggest to people that they go out and get health insurance, major medical insurance to cover them in the event they do need hospitalization or medical treatment, and also to ask your insurance carrier, your own insurance carrier, if you have MedPay, and if not, what should you do about getting it, and what is an appropriate amount of coverage for you. I say as much as you can afford. That's what you should have in MedPay on your own policy. And while you're at it, ask about the MedPay and ask about the uninsured motorist insurance coverage. That's also very, very important in protecting yourself in the event you're in a collision that is not your fault, when the other party is either uninsured or underinsured and has no assets. The uninsured motorist insurance is how you protect yourself and your family.
And something that you alluded to, if you have health insurance otherwise, MedPay is sort of a duplication of that, and I would advise to go ahead and take the money that you might spend on MedPay and put it on uninsured motorist coverage if you have health insurance otherwise. But if you don't have health insurance, then the MedPay is a very good market.